Welcome back to another computer sluggish video. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when we upload a new video.
In today's video, I will be showing you how to check for updates in Microsoft Windows Defender on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. If Windows Defender is your main source of antivirus protection, then it is always worth making sure it is up to date to make sure your computer is at the safest it can be. To do this, all you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and type in Defender. You now need to go onto Windows Security. You now need to select Virus and Threat Protection on the left here. And you now need to go down to Virus and Threat Protection Updates and just click on Check for Updates. Now it does say here that Microsoft Defender will try to automatically download the most recent intelligence to protect your PC. But if you've had any problems or for some reason it's not been updating, or you just simply want to make sure you do it yourself, all you need to do is click on Check for Updates. And as you can see, it's now checking, and once it's finished, if you do have any updates available, it will tell you here and you'll be able to do that. Mine is obviously all up to date as it's not showing anything. You can also check here the last date and time your PC did actually update Windows Defender. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video did help. If it did, hit the like button below and subscribe.
Don't forget to check out my social media channels and forum.